In today's lesson, todakutarisa the differentiation of exponential functions. So we have to appreciate kana understand kuti chii chinombonzi an exponential function before we get into it. Saka chekutanga, this is going to be our model function. Saka we call this our model function kana kuti tinogona kuti general function. So what is going to be our general function? The general function is y is equal to e to the power ax. So this is our model cannot general function. From this function, that's where we find the definition of an exponential function. So kana chitaura pamusoro pe an exponential function, tikutaura a function which is e to the power something. Saka an exponential function is denoted e. And you are going to see as you progress in your understanding of pure mathematics, kuti exponential functions and logarithmic functions, they have a relation, they have a relationship. My exponential functions nema logarithmic functions ane sungawirirano yainawo. Saka what is an exponential function? In layman terms, function ina e mukati mayo. Saka patati y is equal to e to the ax, zvinenge zvakangofanana in principle nekuti the function of x is equal to e to the power chi ax. Saka tichibva pana y is equals to e to the ax, since tiri kudifferentiata panapa teta kutsvaka chi dy dx. That is going to be the derivative kana kuti gradient function. But kana kuri kuti tanga tanyora takati the function of x is equal to e to the power ax, so that panapa tinenge takutsvaka chi f prime x. Do inenge iri derivative yedu kana kuti gradient function. So since it's easier kuti titsvage dy dx kana kuti notation ya dy dx ndo yatiri more familiar to rather than notation ya f prime of x, so reva kuti we are going to be dealing with the function y is equal to e to the power ax. Saka our first note is like this: when y is equal to e to the power ax, kureva kuti we have an exponential function. The derivative of this exponential function dy dx is going to be equal to zvichaitika pano ndeizvi. Let me first read this out. The derivative of exponential functions is given by the product of the original function and its inner derivative. Saka derivative exponential function is given by the product of its original function and inner derivative. Saka tiri kuti original function times inner derivative, which means if y is equal to e to the power ax, tinenge tichiti original function e to the power ax times inner derivative, kureva derivative here this power, which in this case is obviously a, because tika differentiator ax tinowana a. Example, tika differentiator 2x, we get 2. Mapaona. So you should write this as a general statement. It's very important. The derivative, or let me write it in mathematical notation. So the derivative of an exponential function e to the power ax, so dy dx, is going to be equal to original function times inner derivative. It's easy. Confusing, but easy, because it's just one day twakaita tumatrikisi kudai so. But this is it, ama dzangu. As simple and as easy as this. original function times inner derivative. Let us give a few examples kuti munyatso kuona zvatiri kureva. Let us then say kuti tapiwa this example, y is equal to 10 e to the power 5x. Question iri kuti what is dy dx? Saka dy dx inge equal to original function which is 10 e to the power 5x munekopa sezvairi times what? Inner derivative. What is the derivative of 5x? Kana chiti inner derivative tukureva derivative of the power which is multiplying the exponential function. Saka what is the derivative of 5x? The 5. Out from here tikazongo multiply my numbers. 5 times 10, that's 50 e to the power 5x. That is going to be the answer, as simple as that. Let me reiterate. Derivative, maybe writing it as a statement, derivative of an exponential function is equal to original function times inner derivative. Kachit inner derivative, turongoti derivative of the power of x. This is the statement. Tikadai so tinenge tatopedza differentiation of exponential functions. If you have any questions, use the comments section or our numbers. These are our numbers. Munotibata per WhatsApp usually. So it's +263 71 521 3310. Kana muri muZimbabwe 071 521 3310. Thank you and muve nezuva rakanaka.